On one of the Japanese islands, hidden in the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, an event unfolded that would soon become a true headache for the local residents. The exact origins of the rodents were unknown, but they began to quietly invade the island, and before long, their numbers became overwhelming. These small, yet incredibly resourceful creatures started to cause significant damage, devouring anything in their path. They gnawed on the roots of plants, destroyed crops, and even chewed through packages of cereals and other food products. As the rodents spread, they disrupted the normal rhythm of life for the island's inhabitants, throwing everything into chaos. Local farmers felt the brunt of the destruction, suffering substantial losses as their livelihoods were threatened. Soon, it became clear that the infestation wasn't just limited to the farmlands. The rodents had taken over every corner of the island, infesting not only the agriculture but also household supplies, creating a serious problem for the entire community. As the situation worsened, panic began to spread among the residents, and the once peaceful island found itself grappling with a seemingly insurmountable challenge. The local government, realizing the gravity of the situation, knew they had to act quickly and decisively. In a bold and extraordinary move, the local government decided to bring in cats, knowing that these agile predators have been used by humans for centuries to combat rodent populations. On a bright summer day, approximately 3,000 cats were brought to the island. This decision was driven by necessity. Cats had long been known as natural hunters, effective in controlling rodent populations. The cats were sourced from various regions across the country, and as soon as they arrived, they began to explore the island, gradually staking out their territories. As time passed, residents began to notice the first signs of change. Each month, the number of rodents started to decrease, and it became evident that the cats were doing their job. The rodents, once abundant and disruptive, became harder and harder to spot. The areas where they had once thrived were now eerily quiet, with no sign of the pests that had plagued the island for so long. The cats had quickly adapted to their new environment, and the residents, who had initially been skeptical about the plan, began to see the benefits of the decision. The cats, with their sharp instincts and hunting skills, became more and more effective in their work. They began to perfect their methods, and over time, they developed into expert hunters. Their presence on the island became an integral part of the local ecosystem. The residents, who had once been hesitant about relying on animals to solve their problems, began to see the cats as their protectors, their furry allies in the battle against the rodents. Over the course of 2 years, it became increasingly clear that the rodents had all but disappeared. However, the cats didn't stop. They continued to patrol the island, ensuring that no unwanted rodents would take root. Years passed, and the relationship between the cats and the islanders deepened. The cats not only became an essential part of the island's ecological balance, but also grew to symbolize resilience and teamwork. Over the course of 6 years, the cats had proven to be indispensable in maintaining the island's health, effectively becoming part of the island's natural order. People had grown fond of their feline companions, caring for them, and ensuring they thrived. The residents of the island had come to respect the cats, recognizing the crucial role they had played in restoring balance to their world. 6 years after the last rodent was eradicated, the government decided to conduct a thorough analysis of the situation. They found that the cats had been so effective in their role as natural controllers that the island was now completely free of pests. The task of managing the rodent population was no longer a concern. But with the rodents gone, the residents faced a new challenge: ensuring the well-being of the cats, who had not only become integral members of their community, but also heroes in their own right. As time went on, the people of the island continued to care for the cats. They ensured that the feline population remained healthy and well-fed. The cats had become a beloved part of the island's culture, and their story was passed down from generation to generation. Parents would tell their children about the time when the island was saved from an invasion of rodents by the brave and skilled cats, who had become more than just animals. They were heroes. And to this day, the legacy of those heroic cats lives on, reminding everyone of the incredible power of nature and the bond between humans and animals. What an amazing story! Dear friends, if you liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, where many more interesting things await you.